the first thing we're going to be looking at is our simulation button. So if we hold down left mouse button and we select this, you can see we have normal, fitting, and animation. Now, if you don't have a GPU, you will only have normal available, you won't have the rest. And then as you can see on the bottom left here, I can have the option, because I do have a GPU, to select CPU or GPU. I'll be keeping it on GPU because it's just a lot faster and way better to use. So if you do have a GPU, make sure you have that enabled. So looking at it, we have our normal, which is default. This is what I actually use quite a lot, because I find that the fitting can be a little bit too power intensive, and then end up, especially if you have a complex design, it can end up being very slow. So I just use normal. Then for animation, this is when you are doing like a walk cycle, you can also use that. But most of the time I would go into the animation editor and I would select this here. Check out my walk cycle video on how to do that. I do have some tips and tricks in that video. So then going back to this, if you click on this and it's on normal, you can see in the 3D viewport, we can easily adjust this and make it fit how we want it, almost like stylize it. Whereas if it's not selected and we select the garment, it kind of just like stays pretty stiff and you can't really do much with that. So I'm going to press Ctrl Z to just bring it back to where it was.